Hello and welcome to Switchcoin's Global Limited. And we're talking about the top 10 demanding skills in 2021. Alright, based on our Saturday's skills and business talk, where we talk about unemployment or unemployable. Like, are you unemployed or unemployable? There are different, the two words are actually different. Are you unemployed? That means you have some skills, but you have not yet been employed. Then, or are you unemployable? This means you don't actually have the demanding skills for the 21st century. So today we talk about mainly based on IT. So we sum up the top 10 demanding skills for the 21st century, which actually can grab and benefit yourself and become employable. Alright, so number one of them is what we call IT support. The IT support is actually in different. I would say that it compasses different areas. Because when you talk about IT, the IT it actually goes or revolve in our everyday life in this 21st century, which is in 2020 and beyond, right? So the IT support can be in terms of application packages, networking, that is computer networking, different web development and all that. That is general. Like I said, the IT support can be general, where you have people that they consult in IT related issues. Like if you have any IT skill, you can act as an IT support for a particular company, depending on the particular skill you have. Alright? Like that, as I said, the IT support is actually general. Okay, so the next one we're talking about the remote IT jobs. The remote IT jobs also is like the first one, which we say it compasses different areas. Now, remote IT jobs, you can be a personal assistant for someone working from home. You can actually have a knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel, and database and all that, and you work from home. You can work like remotely from the comfort of your home. Alright? So the next one we're talking about is artificial intelligence. When you talk about artificial intelligence, you can be able to learn different artificial intelligence, AI programming and modeling, where you can be able to have different programs that actually interact with a human, like that has some features of a human being, right? Either a software or a hardware part of it. We don't talk about robotics and all that. We can be able to learn artificial intelligence, programming, and big data and all that. So it's one of the demanding skills which you can as well learn in this 21st century, right? So then we talk about cyber security. Very, very important. Now, the world has gone from talking about like physical security, internet security, and then that's the cyber. The cyber security talking about different prevention of different fraud, internet fraud, and all that. So, you as a person, you can go into cyber security, ethical hacking, and all that, being able to secure companies' data, because each company like they have online presence, and your online presence that need to be secured. Therefore, you come in as a cyber security agent, or you study or have a skill of ethical hacking, right? You can be able to work in a company, whether physical or remote. So it's very demanding in terms of 21st century skills. Then we have project management. So different companies, they embark from period to period, they embark on different projects or company projects. So you as a project manager can be able to analyze the different procedures which are meant to be followed, right? To be able to execute a particular project in a company. So you grabbing this work, you know you should you must have at the back of your mind that you are employable if you have any of the listed skills, right? And also the other ones we are talking about. Now the next one is what we call software development. Now software development, we can talk about app like Android app, iOS, you can talk about desktop application, software development. Also, you can talk about web designing, web development, right? So you can grab any of these skills, and remember, working from home is also possible if you grab any of these ICT skills we are mentioning, because the world has gone from a normal day-to-day going to office work towards staying at home and do your job and work from there. You have some privileges working from home, right? Okay, the next one we're talking about is cloud computing. When we talk about cloud computing, we talk about storage of information online, like backing up your information online. And in cloud computing, we have a Google Cloud, Azure, and also the Amazon Web3 and all that. So you can be able to, as a developer, also have the knowledge of cloud computing. If you are a developer, you want to become a developer, you can also like channel your skill into cloud computing, being able to store people's data and manage them on the cloud, right? Then we talk about virtual reality. So virtual reality is also very important when you talk about games, right? When you talk about many people are into game development, and the virtual reality has brought up like a very good, as in awesome experience when you are playing game that has a virtual reality embedded in it. So it's very, very demanding in 21st century. Then we talk about the data science. Data science is large, and also data science can be also be incorporated into artificial intelligence too. So the data science is made up of being able to analyze data and all that, right? So it's very, very demanding in 21st century. Then the last but not the least is business intelligence analyst or business intelligence analysis. Being able to analyze each business, like a startup business, already existing business, and they want to improve on the outcome or the profit, because each business needs success, that is being able to make profit operating as a business. So you as a business intelligence analyst can be able to analyze why a business is not progressing, what they need to do to start progressing, or start making a lot of what profit or break even in their business operations. So with these 10 mentioned demanding skills, go into any of them that you know that you can be able to maintain and be consistent in it. Because one thing is being able to start a skill or to start to learn a skill, another thing is able to be being consistent on it. Then, how can you be able to make money from any of these listed skills? Okay, like mainly working from home, because if you want to work physically also is possible, but if you want to work from home also very possible. Then you should target working for any company in the world, like being what? A freelancer. If you grab any of these mentioned skills, tell yourself that what you are a freelancer and go into freelancing, register a different freelancing website, Fiverr, Upwork, we have freelancing.com, and create a very catchy profile, and people will look for you. So thank you very much for for joining us in today's business talks, career skills and business talks. See you on the next Friday. And remember, this video is powered by SwitchCoins Global Limited. Kindly subscribe to our channel, share this video, and also like the video. And put on the notification as we publish more videos that will benefit you. Thank you.